How to replace the control board. Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet. Start by removing the knobs on the control board. You could use a shoelace to make a loop like this. Stick the shoelace under the knob and pull it out. Go ahead and remove all the knobs. Remove these 3 screws from behind the control panel. Open the panel. Push it to the right, take it out, and lay it down on the top panel. Remove all the screws that are holding the control board. And remove the complete control board assembly. Set the new control board in place. And secure it with the screws. Set the control panel in place. And secure it with the 3 screws on the back. When installing the knobs, align the D shape on the knobs with the D-shaped stems on the control board. Go ahead and install the knobs. Push them until they snap in place. That was the way to remove and replace the control board. Click on these links to visit my website and to subscribe to my channel.